Testing, 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 testing. Testing, 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 testing. Alright. Dang, that MI, I know MI ain't not that hard. Hold up. Give me 1 second, y'all. Well, actually, you know what we got before we even look at the chart. Y'all know what we gotta do. So, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading stocks and futures live stream. Today is Monday, April 6, 2026. So we're finna get into these charts, but before we do, y'all know what we gotta do. Gotta get our prayer in. So go ahead and bow your heads. God, we come to you humbly and with heads bowed. Just want to first give you honor. Lift up your names, give you the highest praise, dear Lord. We want to thank you for another wonderful weekend we had, another wonderful week that we're going into, and another wonderful day that we're going to have today, Lord. I want to thank you for being our God, our Father, our protector, our everything, Lord. Anything that we can ever ask and need, you are that and more, Lord. The Lord asks you to forgive us for any sins that we may have committed, knowingly, unknowingly. And as that we repent, we come with open hearts and humble hearts to be able to speak up and be bold and let you know what things we're struggling with and need help in certain areas, Lord. As that we don't put too much pressure on ourselves and burdens on ourselves, thinking that we had to go through it alone, that we recognize and understand that, hey, we have you in our corner by our side to lift us up in the moments, to strengthen us during the moments, and help us push through. The Lord, as we go into this week, I ask that we make smart, wise decisions on the charts and off the charts, Lord. Especially on the charts, I ask that we continue to stay humble, continue to learn, continue to stay disciplined, and don't let greed or anything like that overtake us. No matter if we win, lose, or draw, I ask that we continue to be grateful for the opportunity and we continue to grow. All these things in Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. Give me 1 second. I'm trying to set up my Ninja Trader. That's what y'all seen up there earlier. I had that Ninja Trader up. Trying to set it all up. We might trade it today. We might not, because like I told y'all, today, if you was in the weekly analysis last night, today, like, we can trade today, but it's more so I kind of will rather wait until today candle close before we actually get like serious with our trades. But well, I ain't gonna say serious, but actually get a full understanding of what we want to see. Because like I said, we're in a downtrend on SPY, we're in a downtrend on QQQ, MNQ. And I'm trying to see, do we finally get this red daily candle to continue the downtrend, or do we try to start reversing here? Because we're so close to that solidify level up there. So I'm trying to see what we do. Do we reject and come back down, or do we end up breaking through and start building that uptrend? Okay, that's why I'm saying it's more, because if you want to take shorts, you really want to take it off a red candle. You got 3 green candles back to back, so it's kind of like probably gotta wait. See what we want to do when it get up here. So honestly, today I might trade my live account. I know I'm gonna trade Top Step for sure, but might trade my live account. Not too sure, man. Cause when I trade my live accounts and stuff, like I'm talking about like iFund, not Prop Firm. I like clean cut, easy days. Like I can clearly tell we finna go a certain direction. So might have to wait it out. MNQ though, we made a higher high. Technically, we made a higher high. But it very well, like I told y'all last night, I said I do expect it to take this high, but we kept that line. I said I expect us taking that high, but is it gonna stay green? That's the question, because it can push all the way back down, turn red, and technically that will just be that one high still. So we gonna see. Let me look at news. I think we had news today. Can't remember. Let me check and see. Yeah, we got 9 a.m. We got ISM, non-manufacturing prices, and PMI. So we probably see how that react, how the market reacts to that. MYM was a little bit more confusing, because it made a higher high, and then we just got a low. So MYM, me personally, MYM, I kind of would rather see a green candle. So I know, okay, well, we got high, low, high. Now I got to make a decision, either make a high or lower low. If it closed red, it's cool, but I personally would rather see it close green and then give us a red or green after that. But if it closed red and close to the daily gap, maybe take shorts to the bottom of this daily gap and to 4,500, 916. But that's about it, man. That's about it. So now let me pull it up on my top step because we did not update our top step charts. So let's remove drawings. And we're gonna just trade NY. I think we probably gonna trade NYM. We ain't probably not even gonna touch MQ. At least for Monday. Tomorrow we'll probably touch MQ. But today I think I wanna maybe focus on NYM. I might trade MQ though. We'll see. We got how many minutes we got? We got 8 minutes for market open, so we got enough time to fix these charts up. Okay, that's a solidified level. This is the target. This is our gaps. Come on. We got another gap up here. They had one down here. Did I go with that one or the bigger one? Probably the bigger one. I just don't hope it don't overlap the other. Let's see. Nah, it's underneath it. Then it was one and one more. It's like small. I think this right here. Yeah, that's it. It wasn't small, but it's like half of the target level. Alright. So it failed to close below, rejected, came back down. Now we back inside. Okay. Back inside. We don't have an uptrend above this gap though. Give me 1 second, cause this thing top still messaging me. Let me see. Let me look at my stream. Is it blurry or that just on my screen? Oh no, it's just on my screen. I'm about to say that might look blurry. Alright. Looking at this hourly, I had to mention back top still. Looking at the hourly though, it just don't look the best. I'm gonna be honest. High, low. Last thing we did was make a high. High looking between these two levels. And then we had high, low, high. Low, higher, high. But then it broke it to the downside. Low, high, low, higher, high. Technically, it's supposed to be in the uptrend, but it's like a big consolidation area, to be honest. I just don't like this chart at all. Go look at the M and Q. We got 4 more minutes. Tell y'all, I ain't liking these charts, man. I mean, I feel like I gotta see one more day at least get developed. At least one more day. So honestly, today feel like and look like don't touch the charts. That what it look like. It look like don't touch the charts. Y'all know. That's why I said we gonna trade NYM just in case. Hey, we do lose because we not supposed to be on the charts. It won't be too bad of a loss. We probably only risk no more than $100 today, and that's it. Probably only risk $100 and call it a day if we make or lose. I do not. No, I really don't like these charts, man. Just don't like these charts. Oh, my bad. We already took that high. It's making it down. Well, I ain't gonna say it yet because it's got to close red. I would say it's making a downtrend, but it got to close red. What? Me personally, look like it's making a downtrend. Look like it's gonna come down on that most recent spot. Look like we about to come down. I could take shorts, but I ain't finna take them right now. Ain't gonna take them shorts. We're gonna look at this MIM again. Playing it safe today. MIM kind of look the same. Look like it tried to make potential lower low, but it's pushing back up now. Oh, market open, market open. My bad, y'all. Sorry about that. Market is open. Pushing up. Don't turn bullish. Let me go back and look at that daily real quick. Last daily candle was red. Okay. Look like we trying to push up. Look like it. The handler closed my Ninja Trader. Hold up, give me a second. We didn't close the Ninja Trader. This market, I don't really like it. We're gonna probably have to wait till that 9 o'clock. See what that 9 o'clock do, man. Ain't my armpit. What the hell? Look at this, man. It went all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way back up. This candle don't know what it wants to do. We ain't get no type of trend. Alright, we pushing up now. But it's still not a trend. That's the thing. Pushing up, but it's not a trend. Still not a trend. Man, I'm mad in the mud. When I close my what's the name, y'all? My what you call it? Ninja Trader. When I closed my dang charts, and then it took all the stuff I had on the charts off, like all my draws and stuff. This mud don't know what it want to do. Trying to wait on the trend to build, y'all. Once we get a trend, we'll get in, and we might just take that one trade and call it. So, just waiting on some type of trend to form. Ain't no type of trend forming right now, so we gotta wait it out. Let's look on the higher time frame. Maybe some trend on a higher time frame, maybe like the 15. We had higher high with lower low. Nah, ain't nothing either. Still gotta wait, bro. Still gotta wait. One minute might make a trend here. Let's see. 1 minute might make a trend. Might get in off the 1 minute. One minute might make a trend. See what M and Q looking like. M and Q, no trend as well. Neither one of them got trend. M and Q did make a trend on the 1 minute though. Let me show y'all. M and Q did make a one uptrend on the 1 minute, but it just didn't stay. It did not stay. See it? Made a high, low, higher, high, but never stayed. Came right back down and broke it. That wouldn't been a bad trade though. Yeah, you would have lost, but it wasn't a bad trade. 5 minute, no trend. 15, no trend. So we just waiting on this stuff to make some trends, bro. That's all we waiting on. Oh man. Just gotta be patient. Maybe at 9 o'clock when the news drop, 9:15, maybe we get some more interesting things happening. Okay. Maybe so, maybe so. Okay, it might. I'm telling y'all, it might be trying to make this uptrend on the 1 minute. Might just be. What will our targets be though? Let's see. So we took out that high. We want to look for a 5 minute target. I ain't looking for no 1 minute target. So if we make an uptrend, higher high, it'll be up here. That'll be first target. Second target here. What the world? Third target up there. Alright. It just turned red. Let's see what it's gonna do. We got an uptrend on the 1 minute on M and Q though. I'm gonna be in it on my Apex account. We in the longs on Apex on my M and Q. Just off this 1 minute. I'm gonna bring stops up though, cause this is risky. If it sweep this high one more time, stops gonna go at the bottom of the counter. Alright. It's a little too risky for me. So it's 2. Probably should have sold 2 up there, yeah. It's alright. Let's go 1. Stop right here. I want to see if it want to run to the upside. We'll bring stop right there. It might come right back down though, cause it's consolidated market, but we still made a little bit. All right, let's go back and look at that NYM though. NYM still red. So far on our Apex account, we're up. That the first two made us $70, and then if you include the other one, we up 80. But if we get stopped out, we only gonna be up like $76, something like that. We got stopped out on that other one, so we up $69. My bad. We up $69 on the Apex. We flip green again. I'm gonna get right back in though. Look at the 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute green counter coming on M and Q. NYM and M and Q looking different. M and Q, we just had a green candle. NYM, we just had a red candle. So they both off. One of them gonna have to catch up to the other. I hope NYM need to go up, cause that'll help. NYM needs to push up. All right. Dang, it came and kicked me right back out quick. Well, we up $96 now on the Apex. I was trying to hold the Apex to the highs, but it came right back down. And I would have got in on my top step, but we trying to preserve that top step. Okay, look like we pushing up. We want our top step taking almost A+ trade. Come on, go take that high. Apex, I don't mind taking a little more risky trade. Alright, so we made a higher high. Look on here. Thinking about going long here. Made a high on M and Q. Can it stay up there? That's the question. Because it's coming back down after making a higher high. Actually, it didn't make the higher high. It's close to it. It didn't make it. It didn't make it. It almost made it. Alright, now it made it. Man, well, I tell you this price action, but alright, I sold majority of my Apex. We only in one contract now. We're gonna let this one try to run to the upside if we can. It's struggling though. It's struggling. It's struggling. How much we up? We're up 140 right now. If we lose this trade, we only be up like 120. If we lose this trade, we be up 120. If we win this trade, I don't know how much we'll be, because I'm gonna just let it run. So here, let me show y'all. I'm just gonna try to let it run. Maybe see if we can get to the top of this daily gap. Let's put it there. Or close to it at least. Maybe it get close to it. Or maybe, no, I'm gonna just aim for these highs right here. We might get stopped out, but I'm gonna aim for them highs right there. See if we can get there. Alright, top step, we still ain't getting nothing. We was hoping that NYM was gonna make an uptrend. Then it just started consolidating on us. So I gotta wait till after the news at 9. That's probably what we gotta do. Just wait. Cause we started consolidating. Did get a green 5-minute though. M&Q. M&Q made an uptrend. So M&Q in the uptrend, but that's too big of a stop for us. Well, technically, we made a high, lower low, then high, high. So technically, not an uptrend. Not yet. We need a higher low. So not an uptrend. My bad. I'm sorry. I told y'all it was an uptrend. On the 1 minute, it's an uptrend though. So let's go to the 1 minute. 1 minute is an uptrend. All right, we hit TP. We hit TP on the Apex, so we're up 223 on the day. Nice. Up 223. We could have been up 223 on our top still, but it was just too risky, bro. When they trained M&Q, it was just too risky. I didn't want to play that risky stuff. Like, yes, we won the trades, but it still was just stop losses. I didn't like how my stop loss would have been. Like, we don't got no solidified level on the 5 minute. Yes, I can get it on the 1 minute, but if I'm trading my top step, it's like I don't know if I trust that 1 minute, levels. So that's all. But we hit TP. Might be done with our Apex today. Might just call it for Apex. I don't know. Let's check out this NYM, see if we can finally get in something. Pushing. It's still a big consolidation area. I needed to come take this high. Hey, come right back down. Leads can come right back down because it's consolidating right here in this like box here. I'll show y'all. Just consolidating right here. So needed to break out of this at least. Oh, we finna make an uptrend. I might get in, y'all. Get this uptrend. But it might be had to get in and out real quick though. That's the thing. Might have to be sitting with them stops real tight. We'll see. Look like it's gonna make an uptrend here. Just need to close past these highs though. We can get in one light if it take the highs, and then if it close past, we can add. Send me a location. My person. It took them highs, but I don't know how I feel about that, man. That looked iffy. It did take the highs though. It did take the highs, but it looks risky. And we got 5 minutes for that news drop. Okay, so it could just like shoot up real hard, like on a big strong push, but it just looked risky, man. I'm just be honest. Kind of want to see a close pass here now. Okay, Ooh, me. Oh, hey, yawning. I thought I had enough sleep last night, but I guess not. Guess not. Look at this hourly real quick. Check out this hourly. Hourly is green. Alright, we in one long. See if we can push. Let's add one more. So we in two longs. See if we can run. Don't want to see us chop back down in here. Honestly. But I really want this counter to be a green counter pushing up. Yeah, I'm gonna add one more. We in three. Really need this to be a green counter to push up hard. If we can build an uptrend, I'm pretty sure we get to that high. We can build an uptrend. Add one more since it came back down. We in 4. We ain't gonna add no more than 4. Come on, don't give us a hard push back down, bro. Come on now. Market, don't push all the way back down hard. It might try to do it to us. Think red closed back in this box. I think I might want to cut though. At least cut half of them. More than half. Come on, close green. Close green. We don't even want to see the red counter right now. Oh, no. Did not want to see that. Might just have to cut. I'm about to cut some of them. I'm gonna give it a second. 2, 1. Okay, it's back above. It is back above. Okay, we didn't cut nothing yet. It is a red candle though. That's the thing. So we want to see some green come in, man. Give us some green. Give us some green. We close past that high. We can bring stops up. Bring them stop losses up once it closes past. 16 seconds. Nice hard push. We gonna get profit off of this. $40 at least. Oh my goodness, what the? Oh, that news. Bruh, that news. Oh, that news. It probably still go up there, but we made $60. Well, we made $40 right there. I was already up 20, so I think it's finna go up here. That news ain't. Dang, bro. That dang news. We could go one light, but I don't even want to risk it. Yeah, I ain't even. If it run all the way up to the third TP, oh well. Oh, that news messed it up. Why it couldn't go up first? Dang it, bro. We would have made our like 120 right there. Right. Instead of $40, we would have made 120. Dang it. I mean, at least we made money though. You know what? End of the day, you made money, so can't cry, Keith. You be alright. You still made money. And we took that trade on our live account also. So our live account I got in a little bit sooner, so I made 30. With one contract where I had what we had 4 contracts or 3 on this one, and we made 40. So the live one we made a little bit more. Well, we made more per contract. We made 30 on one contract versus 40 on 4. But the live one I trailed my stop tighter than I did on here. So technically we supposed to, cause we was up like 98, 100, wasn't it? So technically we was up more on here, but my stop loss was further down. So when that wick came down, it kicked me out at 40 here and kicked me out at 30 on there. Dang, bro, we just made a trend and it just broke the trend. That's crazy. I mean, 5 minute we got an uptrend. Oh snap, hold up. I'm gonna get in one long. If we get a green counter here, I'm gonna get in one long. Stop loss gonna be all the way down there at that 5 minute level. Or should I wait till uptrend form, y'all? I might need to wait till uptrend form on the 1 minute. Yeah, probably wait till the 1 minute uptrend form, then get in. But we do got an uptrend right here on the 5 minute. So do got an uptrend on the 5 minute. We gonna try to wait until the 1 minute make an uptrend, then we'll get in again. Dang, that spike down. Woo-wee, but if it would have spiked up first, that would have been beautiful. It would have went straight to TP. It went to TP after kicking us out though. But I'm glad. You know what? If we would have kept our stop loss where we had it though, down here, we would have been perfectly fine. But I mean, we playing it smart, man. We trying to play this stuff smart. Trying to play it smart. Man, trailing your stop loss when you in profit is a smart thing to do. So we played it smart, took our $40. Yeah, we could have made 140, 130. But It is what it is. You can't predict that dang news was gonna do that. Ride, ride with me tonight. So far, we doing good on these trades. Oh snap! I ain't even look at my Apex. I ain't get back in yet. Oh yeah, I forgot. I ain't get back in nothing. So we still up to 23 on our Apex. M&Q coming down, y'all. Dang. Look at this. Fat red counter. It did go up to to this level though. We set our TP here, and I was like, it could come up there, but I didn't know for sure if it was gonna do it. And it did get up there. But now it's rejecting. Might come break these lows. Yeah, I think we might make a downtrend here, y'all. We made that downtrend. I'm finna grab shorts like crazy. Definitely gonna grab shorts if we make a downtrend. We gonna see though. We gotta see what it's gonna do. Dang, good thing we didn't touch no meta and all them, cause it said they ain't moving up but $2. Yeah, I've been mad. I think we finna come down. Especially if we make a downtrend. I think we gonna go down hard. If we make a downtrend. I'm talking about this M&Q, yo. I'm looking at. It might come down real hard. Ride with me through the night. Uh-oh. A trend for NYM? A trend for NYM coming back strong? See that 1 minute. It's just green. It ain't no trend yet. No trend yet. It's just green. Still gotta wait on that uptrend, bro. Come on now, we ain't getting no movement. I think I want to go longer in NYM based on that 5 minute, but I really wanted it to make an uptrend on the 1 minute. But I think I'm gonna go long. We got 1 more minute for the 5 minute. Thinking about going long. Stop at that blue line. Again, pull back. How far it gonna go? Did you get that 5 minute green counter, but let's see if we can get all the way up there though. Get this green counter here. I'm gonna add one more. Well, if it's at break even, I'm not gonna add it until we take the high. If we take that high and close green, then I'll add, but I'm not gonna add right now. Alright, we taking the high. Let's add 2. Let's run. Need one more sweep to the upside. And then I'll bring my stops up once we take the last counter high. I'm bringing stops up once we take the last counter high. Trying to wait it out. Trying to be patient. Gotta take the last counter high. Come on, take it. You right there. Oh, come on. Wow. Guess I gotta wait. Maybe this to take it right here. Come on, push. And probably gotta wait. Hopefully it don't flush all the way back down to dunk though. That's the biggest thing I'm worried about. Okay, we took the high. Can we close pass, bro? That's what I'm looking for. A close pass. 28 seconds. Or at least close green. He ain't got close pass. At least close green. And I'll bring stops up. At least close green and I'll bring them stops up. Alright. Time to bring stops up. Don't kick us out. Nice. Come on, just run. Go to TP. Go to TP. Come on, you're almost there. Keep moving. Only thing I don't like is so much time, bro. Come on, bro. And if y'all, I don't know if you new to the channel, reason why I keep looking at two different spots, I got one of my live account on one chart and then the other account on the other. Apex and Top Step on the other accounts. Charts. Monitors. Dang, I'm messing up my words. Just pull back. Don't pull back right now. Just go straight to TP. No pullback. No pullbacks. Just go straight up there, man. We're getting the pullback. Let's push straight up. 30 seconds too much time, bro. It's gonna kick me out my live account. Dang it. At least we made money though. My stop's literally at the bottom of the wick on my live account. Let me put it here too. I just want all green count straight to TP if we can. Just go all green. No reds. Let's go straight up. And it might wick us out and then still close green. It might do that, so I won't be surprised if it wick us out and then still be green counter. But it is what it is. That's how we're gonna do it. Stops right there. It wick us out. Oh well. Look like we getting kicked out. Look like it. Let's just go straight up without coming down at all. I don't know though. I think it's gonna come down to retest this gap. Yeah, it did. Alright, we got kicked out. Completely fine. I ain't even mad at it. We up 140 on the day. On Top Step. Think it might flip it. Let's see if it flip green, then it should be trying to go up there. Might go one more trade here, y'all. We might go one more trade. One more long if we can flip green. This is dang 1 minute gap though. See here. So we might just go one more trade. And then we're gonna call it a day. It closed below there. I think I might just call it now. Yeah. I think I'm about to call it now. I ain't really want to see that. 5 minutes. Didn't really want to see that. I don't need to tell y'all all my accounts, but we up. Just know we up on all accounts. We did not trade any options though today, so options we had to stand still. But All right, y'all. Go ahead and end it right here. And y'all have a good one. Your boy Keys is out. Peace.